Yeah. Hello everyone, today our group wants to make a video about free trade and environment. Before we starting, we will mention our group and I'm Ahmad Zaki Mubarak.
I'm Muhammad Aido Saputra and this is my friend Nabil. My friend.
Farel Pancar Piatama.
Aduh. And this is my friend Su, Zaki Herlanda.
And my name is Muhammad Ali Nurwahta.
Oke dah, tutup.
Okay, first, rebuttal argument about free trade and the environment. Free trade does not always harm the environment. It can encourage efficiency and environmentally friendly innovation. Free trade is often misunderstood as a primary cause of environmental degradation when in fact it can be a significant driver of production. Efficiency and environmentally friendly technological with access to global market, business are incentivized to enhance competitiveness by adopting cleaner and more efficient technologies. For example, free trade enable countries to import green technologies such as solar panel. For example, free trade enable countries to import green technologies such as solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicles, which are more efficient and reduce reliance on environmentally damaging fossil fuels. Moreover, free trade boosts national income, allowing governments and the private sector to invest in greener production technologies. Empirical studies in several African countries show that trade openness contribute to carbon dioxide emissions reduction through two main mechanisms: the technique effect and composition effect. The technique effect occurs when cleaner, more efficient technology are adopted, while the composition effect happens when economy shift toward more environmentally friendly sector. Thus, free trade not only foster economic growth but can also improve environmental quality when supported by appropriate policies.
Okay, next, the solution is not restrict trade, but to strengthen environmental policies that regulate production practice. For instance, implementing pollution tax, strict environmental standard, and incentivize for companies adopting green technologies can mitigate the negative environmental impact of productions. With effective regulation, free trades can align with environmental preservation. Protectionism can harm the environment. Protectionist policies that restrict trade often exacerbate environmental problems. For example, in the 1980s, the United States imposed import quotas on small Japanese cars to protect in a domestic automotive industry. As a result, U.S. consumers lost access to more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly vehicles, leading to increased air pollution. This case demonstrates that trade restrictions do not always benefit the environmental and can even have adverse effects.
Additionally, closed economies such as Eastern Europe countries before the fall of Union Soviet in 1989 had poor environment records, limited access to modern technology, and a lot of incentives on for innovation results in inefficient production and high level of pollution. This underscores the protectionist and economic insulation. Overexploitation to more efficient and sustainable sector. And food sustainable natural resources. However, developing countries often face significant challenge in managing their natural resources sustainable due to limited monitoring and regulating capacities.
Therefore, it is critical for developing country to implement robust and effective environmental policy to ensure that free trade does not lead to excessive resource exploitation.
Tiga.
Therefore, it is critical for developing country to implement robust and effective environmental policy to ensure that free trade does not lead to excessive resource exploitation. Such policy may include logging quota, protection of conservation area, and strict environmental standard for export product. With this measure, free trade can support both economic development and environmental preservation in developing nation. Environmental standard in free trade must be designed wisely. The implementation of environment standard in context of free trade must be carefully designed to avoid creation trade barrier that disadvantage developing country. Overly stringent or unfair environmental regulation that disagree the capacity of developing nation can make it difficult for them to environmental standard in free trade must be designed wisely. The implementation of environmental standard in the context of the free trade must be carefully designed to avoid creation trade barrier that disadvantage the developing country. Overly stringent or unfair environmental regulation that disagree the capacity of developing nation can make it difficult for them to compete in global market. This risk ya bacanya apa anjir? This risk exacerbating economic inequality and widening the gap between developed and developing country.
Sudah?
Paragraf ketiga.
Oh, 3. Lanjut.
Thus, environmental standard in international trade should be based on principle of fairness and flexibility, allowing developing countries room to adapt while maintaining a commitment to environmental preservation. Technical and financial support from developed nations is also essential to help developing countries and enhance their monitoring capacity and adopt green technology.
Next, in conclusion, free trade is not the primary cause of environmental degradation. Such damage is largely driven by a combination of weak environmental policies and unsustainable production practice. The best solution is to spread trade and environmental policies, implementing effective environmental regulation without excessively restricting trade.
Hello guys, my name is Farel Pancar Priyatama. Protectionism can worsen environmental impacts and limit developing countries' access to green technologies critical for sustainable development. With appropriate environmental policies and fair environment, free trade can be an effective tool for promoting economic development while preserving the environment. This highlights free trade and environmental preservation are not mutually exclusive but can work together for a greener, more sustainable future. Free trade opens up economic opportunities, but we must also be wise in protecting the environment. The future is in our hands. With sustainable policies, we can create a fairer and greener world. Let's take better steps together for our planet and future generations. Thank you. This is our group. See you in the next video. Bye.
Get you to focus. I just need to know your motives.